Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to add the Bitmoji extension to your Google Chrome browser. So first of all, you have to be in Google Chrome. You can't be in Safari or another document or Explorer. I do believe that different internet browsers are working on adding this, but right now Google Chrome is the easiest to work with this extension. So you're going to be in the Google Chrome browser. I'm already in it. And you're just going to go to google.com and you're going to enter in Bitmoji extension. And this is, to me, the easiest way to get there. The very first thing will be Bitmoji Google Chrome. And you click on that. It'll bring you to the Chrome Web Store. And I got rid of it up here. If you notice, I have a couple up here just to show you. So this is the one you're going to download. You're going to hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It is going to download, and if you notice, it'll open this page. So right here, it added my little thing. I can move it around if I want to. I'm going to move it back to where I had it. And then you have to log in with Snapchat or with your email address. So you have to have Bitmoji on your phone before you do it on your computer because it does not work with desktop apps. You make the edits on the app on your smartphone. So I am logged in with Snapchat. It knows my password, so I'm just going to continue. And it will log itself in. And then it will say welcome back. It has all my stuff. And then when I click my Bitmoji extension up here, I can use it whenever I want. So I just right click, copy an image, and put it in whatever I want to put it in. If I want to search for a specific Bitmoji, one that's really good for making Bitmoji classrooms is just pose. And then you just got a ton of different poses that your Bitmoji is in that you can use. I use this one a lot. So good luck, have fun creating.